are whispering through the pines, stories woven through the vines, feeling heartbeats in the ground. In this place my soul is found. Sun paints colors on the fields, and the earth sings all its feels. The drums stay beat, guiding my wandering feet. Underneath the endless sky, with the earth beneath my feet, whispered dreams, a lullaby carried on the wind's heartbeat. In the shadows of the night, I found courage, found my light. Hear my call, nature's rhythm guides me true through it all. I find strength in what I do. Walking softly on the land till I feel the world breathe deep. Every step a gentle hand, in the silent secrets keep. Stars above in dark embrace, show me the path to my place. Hear my call, nature's rhythm guides me true through it all. I find strength in what I do. The wind whispers my name, calling me to stand tall. With each drum's ancient claim, I am part of nature's call. Hear my call, nature's rhythm guides me true through it all. I find strength in what I do.